Hey there Dev Squad, Virtus here, and today I just wanted to put a quick message out there to let you know what's going on and why there hasn't been any content this month in an effort to be as transparent as possible. I also want to give you a timeline as to when tutorials will be returning to the channel. Due to an unforeseen accident, I've broken my elbow and haven't been able to use my computer to make the awesome content that I normally do. I'm currently healing well and should be back at the grind by the end of the month. I do understand this may be frustrating for some, especially those that are following our current ongoing series. I kindly ask that you bear with us, and I can assure you new content will be up as soon as physically possible. I also want to apologise to our Patreons. While almost all rewards are available to current and new Patreons, a couple of pieces are being delayed due to my absence. Anyway guys, that is all I've got for now. Stick around and we'll have some awesome new content out shortly. But for now though guys, as always, stay awesome, keep creating. Your boy Virtus, signing out. This video was made possible by my supporters on Patreon. If you want more videos like this, check out my Patreon page using the link in the description. To stay up to date on new releases, make sure you follow us on social media.